Welcome back, everybody. We need to talk. Now, I've been getting a question across my socials. I've been getting a question in the comments of this YouTube channel. I've been getting a question from people in real life who have been following my YouTube channel for some years. And the question I've been asked is, am I leaving Android? And this question seems to have gotten bigger in these last few months. I've been doing social media management, and a lot of my customers, the majority of my customers actually, they all use iPhones, and I primarily carry an iPhone for my work, right? Because it is so much easier, as you all know, it is so much easier to transfer files back and forth with an iPhone versus an Android. Now, I've had a couple people, I've worked with people with Google Drive, and I make it work because I'm a techie. I can do that. All right, I have an understanding of all this. Now, let's go back 4 or 5 years ago. Android was more advanced and more developed than iPhone. It just was, right? And for those of you who've been watching my videos for a long time, you guys know that, Samsung's been the name of the game. And I love Samsung phones because they are fun. They bring the fun to the table. Now, as far as productivity and business and all that, I know you all have heard this before. Everyone says iPhones just work. And yes, they work when they work. Don't get me wrong. I still have to restart my iPhone every 5 days in order to keep it working well. Apps need to be updated, and there's still bugs and there's still glitches. Now, iPhones do make things simple. Now, you can make your iPhone complicated if you know all the little tips and tricks and all the other little things that are involved with an iPhone. But what I'm saying is here, I primarily use an iPhone for my business, and I do a few things, and to track like my health and all that. That's just what I do, because Apple makes a product that it's simple to do that. Now, if there's something I want to get down and dirty with, like say I want to get down to the nitty gritty on a thumbnail, that's when I whip out my Samsung Galaxy. I've made videos about this. I've talked about this, and I do this for my customers. I'll use the AI, I'll use the editing tools that are inside of the Samsung Gallery, and I'll create a thumbnail, I'll create a picture, I'll do the editing that I can do inside of that. But with all that being said, no, I don't plan on leaving Android anytime soon. It's just primarily I do use an iPhone, and as my business progresses, as my life progresses, I find myself using an iPhone more than I use an Android, and it's business. All right, at this point, it's just business. For those of you that are on Twitter, you might have heard other tech reviewers say the same thing I'm saying. It literally is all about business, and that's all you can do. So you're either making money or you're not. But subscribe to my channel. I should have said this in the beginning. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any special requests, let me know. I'll hook you up. I love doing special request videos. Special request videos are the name of my game. So if you have a question how to use an app, how to use a phone, whatever it is, let me know. I will line you up. All right, everybody. Take care.